Another Goodwill, another day. Trap. We got a Coca-Cola fridge here, people. People love this. $9.99. I probably could get like 40 out of that. It look like somebody started to put this together and just start working with it, but for $3.99, Black Panther, I can do that. Plus you see the Black Panther figure, Lego figure is still in there, money off top. Out here trapping, man. We got the Lego set, we got the Coca-Cola cooler. Let me go see if they put some shoes out yet. More Air Maxes, up-tempo Air Mo, up-tempo Maxes, whatever you call them. They just like those, them up-tempos I'll be rocking. But these are prices, pre-owned. I ain't gonna click on the sale, I'm running out of battery. Look at these green dunks. We might have to get those. They want $24. I might have to pop on those. Got some dunks here. I might go ahead and pop on these. $24.99. Yeah, I'm gonna get these. Another Goodwill. Let's get it.
Proceed to the route.
Alright, we got a joystick here. Y'all gotta be on the lookout for these joysticks. They can be worth money sometimes. $5. We got another one of these Megazords, but I didn't even sell the one I got yet, so I might pop on it since I came out here, but I'm gonna think about it. Good as good. Got a couple of Jordans. $14 for the J's, $20 for these. This is size 7. I'm gonna cop these. Well, these are red bottoms, supposedly. As you can see, they actually broke right there with the L. Plus, I can't tell the size. So, I'm gonna skip on them for $139. Got an AMI leather coat. And as y'all can see, $57, $79. We got Albert Duke leather jacket. People waiting in line to get these shoes, man. Lobster off of Little Mermaid. Right before it hit the shelf. Color sign, they got $6.99 on the front, bro. Got this Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Charlie in the box, bobblehead, new in box. Y'all can see we got one offer pre-owned in box 50, 40. Let me look at sold this. Well, 2 bids, $30. $30 plus $8 shipping pre-owned. Yeah, so we're gonna get this. Man, this girl in here, she just got that little snail off of SpongeBob. I didn't even see it. Hold up, I'm about to show it to y'all. But we got some more stuff. Lilo, this is like $20 right here, so. Alright people, DIGITRAPPIN, bitch, I bet you gotta trap all day. I think this is the 4th Goodwill of the day, but we got some LeBrons up in here. $6 trap all day. Alright, right here I'm popping on a Blu-ray lot of kids Blu-rays. These sell good, lotted together. Like teachers might buy them for, students to watch, stuff like that. Then we got this movie that I like, American Graffiti, which is a VHS, and they got an actual disc in the back. So I'm gonna cop this. Yeah, man, we finally found a damn video game for once. Halo 2, because they can't tell that it's a video game. That's probably why. Collector's edition. So I'm about to cop this, and as y'all can see, pre-owned, we got a bidding war. It's at $16 already. Trap all day. This girl asking if I'm gonna ship her J's yet. Talking about are you gonna ship those? When are you gonna ship those or whatever? Baby, I'm out here trapping. I'll ship them when I get time. You already know. Flip a world, stretching gang, car, tub, trap all day. Still married to the grams. Trap. But yeah, these are the Winnie the Pooh plushes going out today. As y'all see, we got all of these off of the Imma Reseller episode. That was trapping out of town. I can't even recall it because we like almost close to episode 20. I got probably like 5 episodes stocked up on like 3 memory cards I gotta edit. But this episode of Flipping Plush is basically about how to make money off of these plush. We all know plush cheap is overlooked, kind of like books or whatever. So you can find some plush at your Goodwill store for a good price and make some profit. The only reason I popped on these was because they was lotted together. It was a whole bunch of them, so I knew somebody was gonna buy all these Winnie the Poohs. This is the Fairly Odd Parent that we got going out today. And y'all probably recognize that from the Nickelodeon show. Timmy Turner and everything. So somebody paid $100 for this plush. And I haven't seen one this size, so I probably could have got more. Yeah, we up here getting it at sunrise. I just passed one yard sale, but as y'all can see, we on one-way streets. So I wanted to turn around for it. I'm gonna try to catch it on the way back. But the other yard sale only 4 minutes away, so hopefully we can swing back through and catch that one. Pulling up to this second yard sale.
The destination is on your left. 2331 Miles Road.
This is even worse than the last spot.
Arrived.
How the fuck you supposed to park in this motherfucker? People just coming in, backing it up. Yeah, we out in the country, man. Bugs biting me and shit early. But this a little setup out here.
Oh, yeah, what's going on?
Ain't not much.
Doing okay?
Yeah, I'm good. How about you?
Town this weekend, Coco?
Yeah, I've been here since yesterday. You know I had to come out. Uh-oh, we got some little Xbox game.
That is the,
It's a Disney movie, right?
yeah, Toy Story is the bad guy.
Yeah. I'll buy it.
We got Midway. Everything I did come out here when you missed my friend died. That's the guy that owned a thrift shop I like to go to called It's a Deal. Y'all take care. Oh, how much you wanted for this Puma? Okay, we can do that. Oh, I forgot all about that. I'm gonna act like I didn't see it. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
How much are y'all selling them lampshades for?
So they're 20 a piece or 10 magnets.
Yeah, that's a good deal. I got that same shade, but it's smaller. Kind of like the Tiffany style, but it's made by Labco or Laboratory, something like that. But they still good shades.
Oh yeah.
I appreciate it. Yeah, I went to that little pony one. They didn't have nothing out there, that pony trail.
Yeah, I went there.
Yeah, I was the first one there. And then I went to that one on Bailey, but I missed and skipped it. because of traffic. Whatever that B road is coming down here, Bailey. It was a moving cell out there, but I'm about to double back and go out there and see what I can find.
Good luck.
All right. We got to come up to this Plateau's closet to see what we can find real quick. See if they got some J's or something up in here. Don't look like much. These some nice dope boy 95s. We got some J's right here. They want $20 for these. These Air Max more tempos though. Damn, they want $95 for these shits. We got these J's for 25, people size 10. These might actually be a cop. We got some Gatorade Jordans. 75. Alright, we headed to a couple Goodwill, see if we can find some profit. I gotta head to the grid and get that Godzilla. I put it online, but I didn't actually buy it, and somebody actually just purchased it, and I know ain't nobody bought that crap, so it's still sitting there. But I sold it for like $50, and no, I sold it for $60, and they asking $34, I believe. So it's just like a little $10, $15 profit. I mean, all I gotta do is pick the game up. So that's what we headed out doing now. After we hit up these Goodwills, we're gonna go ship some packages off and get back to the trap. Just pulled up at the grid. Just go in here and get this Godzilla game somebody bought, and see what else they got. Hopefully they don't finesse me out or something else. We got the Nightmare Before Christmas people. I might have to compliment. But yeah, look at this, people. $92, $53. They only want $24. You might have caught them slipping. Look at that. $59.59. I have to get that. $24 Nightmare Before Christmas, PlayStation 2. We caught them slipping. But yeah, the Nightmare Before Christmas got the manual too. That's like almost $80 pre-owned. They only want $24 for it. So these SpongeBob games be selling for a little bit of money. They want $10 for it. 10. Oh. Every time I see a game I want, when I come back, it's gone. We got World's Lunch Odyssey. Tomb Raider 2, Tomb Raider 3, Tomb Raider Chronicles. What is this? We got the Sopranos people. This game was horrible though. They're my boys. Yeah, people be buying the hell out of these PS3 games though. I'm gonna play that Little Big Planet. I never played that. Hold up. Little Big Planet. Got a race car game. They got Bully for the Wii. I didn't know that was on the Wii. Go people. We're leaving up out of the grid, niggas. Spent a little bit of money again up in there. I swear, every time I go out there, I buy 2 video games. It was like $60, $70. But let me show y'all, all my flippers talking about video game of the week. Let me show y'all the video game of the week. Nightmare Before Christmas right here. whatever you want to call it. I didn't even know they had a game. The manual looked like it never even been taken out the case. Get a little of that sticky glue or WD-40 to remove all these little stickers off of here. Looked like it was a rental game. Right here we got Godzilla. Somebody bought this from me off of line for $60. So, and then I just came back here and they got another copy in there. So I put it back online again. So when that sell, I'll come back and buy that copy and sell it. So basically this is what we're looking at. And let's look at the prices on this Nightmare Before Christmas. Right here, March 21st, $59. March 21st, $59. March 21st, what is the day though? Is it the 21st today? Damn, that was yesterday, so look at that. Like clockwork. March 21st, $38 bid. I guess they lost out on the bid, so they said, fuck it, let me buy it. $36 bid, $50. These foreign, well, Canada, $54, $44, $52. So this game is like, I say trending around 50 some dollars, $59 really, because it's the third $58, $59 sale. And then I think Goodwill, because if you look at this, if you look right here, this was a $315 is when they marked this. So look right here, they probably was looking at the trending price, which was $35. But what you don't realize is that this is nothing but the case and the manual. So the fact that this sold for $20, it brought the trending price down to $35, which gave me a little break here because this is a $60, $50 game. And on another Goodwill, I don't never find shit at this Goodwill though. I don't even know why I come out here, but yeah, we gotta see what we can find. Trap all day.
We living all this flipper talk. We ain't got a job. Flip, retail arbitrage. If it profit, then we cop. Drop, ship a pack, never touch it like a boss. Battery on 10%, I'm trapping out the Ross. You can't be a flipper if you never took a loss. I done seen so many that the shit'll make you nauseous. Flipper.